The system starts with the new DP Pro fence. It's taller than previous fences, supporting work vertically as well as horizontally. The middle of the fence is cut out, so your chuck will never interfere with the fence. And the extruded aluminum fence acts as a dust collection duct, capturing chips and shavings right where they are created. The fence is engraved with both inch and metric scales that read right and left from the center of the fence, right behind the drill bit. And to go along with our brand new fence, there's a brand new flip stop with thumb wheel micro adjustment. The table itself is made from full 1-inch thick Baltic birch plywood with black microdot laminate on both the top and bottom. The table is designed in 3 sections, the main central table and wings on each side. When you're working on longer stock, just slide the extensions out for extra support and then tuck them back in when you're done. Now, I've had a couple different tables on my drill press at home, and every one of them has been a pain to attach. Let me show you a great new feature of the DP Pro system. The DP Pro drawer base has slots cut in the bottom that will match up to just about every drill press table out there. In fact, we haven't found one yet that it won't fit. Whether it has T-slots or through slots, straight or diagonal, it's going to fit. Once you have the base bolted on, it's simple to attach the table to the base. Not only does the base make it simple to install, it creates clearance for the crank that raises and lowers the table. And we couldn't let this space go to waste. We added a drawer to keep your drill bits, chuck keys, and hold-down clamps right where you want them.
When the weather is great, hardly anything beats spending time out in it. Whether you're grilling, hanging out with your family, or just relaxing, this time of year, your deck really becomes a focal point of your house. Unfortunately, over time, the wear and tear on your deck ruins the quality of your time spent on it. Nails popping up, split ends, and cracked boards. Not only are they not fun to look at, but they can be dangerous too. You can enhance the beauty and quality of your deck with this simple system, the Craig Deck Jig System. Craig has been making building wood projects easy with pocket hole jigs for over 30 years, and now we're taking that ease and simplicity to deck building. The Craig Deck Jig System is easy to use and allows you to conceal the screws on the edge of the boards so that they will never be in your way. The Craig Deck Jig System allows you to drill a pilot hole and drive a fastener screw at the precise angle and depth that eliminates common problems from face screwing, such as visible screws, cracked and split boards. This makes installing a beautiful deck with hidden fasteners easier than ever, getting you back enjoying your time outside on a deck that you love.
A square's primary use is to measure the accuracy of a right angle. True, yet Capro's 353 Legit square can be and do much more. This unique square is 90 degrees certified, has a two-sided 30 degrees and 45 degrees casting handled platform, all of which make precise marking faster and easier. It also has 4 milled surfaces which give you even more accuracy. You know how while marking the square slips? Well, the Capro innovative retractable metal ledge support changes all that. It allows you greater balance while marking, and there just won't be any more slip-ups. The 353 Legit also has edge gradations, etchings and holes for beveling and framing, as well as holes every centimeter for fluid pencil marking. So much more than just a square. It's the holiest of squares. For more
Can you spot the difference between this clamp and this clamp? They're both track clamps, but with one huge difference. This one relies on expensive aluminum track. With this one, you create your own track. Match-fit dovetail clamps are unlike any other track clamp. Its head is forged into a 14-degree half-inch dovetail profile, allowing you to create your own tracks with one of the most common router bits on the market. Without tracks, you're limited to the edge of your workbench and the clamp's throat depth. Match-fit dovetail clamps give you the freedom to clamp beyond the edge. They slide through the dovetail grooves below the surface to secure material without getting in the way. Make auxiliary fences, sleds, stops, hold downs, assembly tables. You can even transform your tool chest or existing workbench into a versatile clamping surface, easily and without expensive aluminum tracks. Sure, there are other track clamps out there, but who wants to buy all that metal? Whether for a quick jig or a permanent shop fixture, dovetail clamps will bring your woodworking to the next level. Cut a straight edge on warped or live edge stock with a sled, cut tapers, or assemble your projects on a perfectly flat surface.
In California, the way we build and frame is like nowhere else in the world. It's more production oriented. That's why we build so fast. Framing, the tools have to be very powerful. I was surprised at how much power the worm drive style saw had. The performance is there and it lasts a long time.
Especially on jobs like this, there is those occasions that you need to go do something for a couple hours or for a couple minutes where you don't want to run all kind of cord. You had to have an adapter, all of that.
Power locations are always an issue. So they're always having to drop cords down. It's just a lot of hassle. No cord, that's the best feature. I've always thought DeWalt was the top brand.
It's dependable. You can trust on it, you can work on it all day. It's productive.
Yeah, normally when something comes out, people ask me to get it. They're gonna be pretty excited about this saw.